Okay, here's another example of a logarithmic equation. So actually it might be a little bit even simpler than the previous example. So here we have the base 5 log of 125 equals x. Now really all we're saying is when we look at the base 5 log of 125, what we're really saying is what number does 5 have to be raised to get 125? And the answer is actually 3, okay, because 5 raised to the third power is 5 times 5 times 5, which is 25 times 5, that's a 5, which is 125. Okay, so it just turns out that in fact x equals 3 is the final answer there. So even though this technically is a logarithmic equation, it really just boils down to being able to simplify and evaluate a logarithmic expression like this, and just knowing that 5 cubed is 125. And if you are so inclined, you could have written this logarithmic equation in its equivalent exponential form. Okay, so if we have, the base 5 log of 125 equals x. So if we started with that, the base 5 log of 125 equals x. If you really wanted to, you can convert this to its equivalent exponential form, which is 125 equals 5 to the x. And if that helps you, by all means, go ahead and do that. Because then you could say, okay, I know 125 is 5 cubed. Therefore, I can just say 5 cubed equals 5 to the power x. And then you could use the techniques that we talked about for solving exponential equations. Here we have base 5, base 5. So same base on both sides means we equate the exponents and we get 3 equals x, which is what we had above. Okay. And again, you should always check your answer when you solve logarithmic equations, but for this, checking your answer just entails to plugging 3 directly into here, and there really isn't much to do to check it. So that's pretty much all there is for this example. That's example 2 for solving logarithmic equations.